Start your day right with these 3 quick and delicious breakfast ideas you can make in just 5 minutes. Hey everyone, struggling to find time for breakfast? Today I'm sharing 3 super easy and delicious breakfast ideas that you can make in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. First up, classic avocado toast. Toast 2 slices of your favorite bread. Mash half a ripe avocado with a pinch of salt and pepper and spread it generously. Add a sprinkle of chili flakes or a drizzle of olive oil if you like some extra flavor. Ready in under 5 minutes. Next, a quick and healthy yogurt parfait. Grab a cup of Greek yogurt, layer it with fresh berries like strawberries and blueberries, and sprinkle some granola on top for crunch. This is perfect if you want something sweet and filling. Last, for the egg lovers, try this microwave egg mug. Crack 2 eggs into a microwave-safe mug, add a splash of milk, salt, pepper, and your favorite chopped veggies or cheese. Mix well and microwave for 1 minute. Stir, then microwave another 30 seconds or until cooked. It's fast and packed with protein. There you have it, 3 quick breakfast ideas to fuel your busy mornings. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more easy recipes like these, don't forget to subscribe Mini Food. Thanks for watching.